Welcome to the age of personalized manufacturing operations, where a younger workforce expects digitalization to empower their day-to-day activities. Shifting from traditional desktops and laptops to smart devices boosts plant mobility. Simultaneously, the right data needs to be available promptly and through user-friendly interfaces.
With our best-in-class MES enhanced with the industry-leading low-code application development platform, we are making Mendix part of the Opcenter DNA. Mendix is the fast and easy way to build, integrate, extend, and maintain multi-user experience applications. It's a game changer. With the voice of our customers, market trends, and industry needs as inputs, we have developed a rich set of out-of-the-box, role-based, industry-specific, and process-centric user interfaces. We delivered enhanced user experience, optimized application interaction, and adaptive flexibility that comes with low-code to realize value from day one.
With Siemens Opcenter and Mendix, manufacturers can confidently meet new business demands efficiently while owning the personalization and empowering workforce. Join us on this journey of agility, innovation, and excellence.